Here's a great example of the issue that I'm experiencing here. We've got all of our lights working here. Everything works just fine. Dash lights go on when key goes to position 1. Everything works just fine. Okay, we've got it in neutral. Foot off the clutch, foot off the brake. Okay. Turn it to position 0. Turn it back to position 1. Allow the fuel pump to prime for 5 seconds. Foot off the clutch, foot off the brake, foot off the gas. It almost started there. So close. Now if I put my foot onto the gas, so close. Almost. It is so close. And she's alive. I want to push this car off a cliff. Somebody help me, please.